Going after smallmouth again today. Trying somewhere I've never fished though. We're in Ames on the Skunk River. Brought the kayak just in case. Not sure if we'll need it though because the water's pretty low. Just in case we get to some deeper areas to make sure we can get through. Gonna try top water again. Got the same baits tied on as before. Got the skitter pop, Whopper, Plopper, and then storm swim bait just in case too. So hopefully we'll get them today. There we go, first fish. Seems to be a decent one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh shoot. That was a better one. There we go. Got one. Feels like a better one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Might even use the net. Oh yeah, that's a good one. "17 inches. It's a pretty nice one. 17 incher. Long and lean, but definitely good size for a small river. Oh, there we go. Got another one. Not quite as big. There we go. Nothing like right at the side of the kayak. It's not a decent one. It's out of the same spot that bigger one came from earlier. I'm guessing he'll be about 15. Yep, 15 right on the dot. Another nice one. Always fun to catch them on top water. There we go. Finally got him. It's a better one. Another nice one. About 14 and a half.